Hello everybody, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix stuttering in Marvel Rivals. Okay, the first thing you want to do is disable control flow guard. How do you do that? So type in exploit protection into the Windows search. This will come up. From here, go to program settings, add program to customize, and select choose exact file path. And you want to find this file path here. How do you find this? Well, go into Steam, right click on this, go to properties, go to browse, and basically you'll see what was it? Marvel Rivals, Marvel Game, Marvel Binaries Win64, Marvel Rivals, Marvel Game, etc, etc. Binaries Win64, and it will be right here. Okay, so once you've found that, click on this, click on open. Once you've done that, you want to go to CFG, control flow guard, override system settings, and turn this off. What is control flow guard? So basically this stops Windows from Windows stops this software from accessing different parts of your system. It's basically an antivirus protection, but again, this is Marvel Rivals, so it's fine. Click on apply and say yes, and that will fix a lot of stuttering. Okay, the next thing you want to do is go into the game, and once you're in the game, you want to click on the little cog, click on settings, and from here you want to adjust the game settings. You want to turn this off to TAAU, and you want to set global illumination. You want to set this to SSGI low quality. And that is it. That should fix the stuttering for the game. If this helped you, leave the video a like. If it didn't help you, leave the video a comment, and do my best to get back to you.